One long weekend, we took a trip to the Grand Canyon. We wanted to see the Desert Watchtower, so we went over to the location. This old-looking tower is the resemblance of a long-ago building that one of the Puebloan people that lived here built. But oddly enough, it was constructed in 1932 by Mary Coulter. The tower itself was patterned after those found at Hovenweep and the Round Tower of Mesa Verde. Inside, you can schedule tours to go up into the tower. The lower floor of the tower is modeled after a traditional Native American kiva. There's also a small park store inside. The views all around the tower are incredible, and looking at the handiwork of the tower is quite the sight. Coulter made sure that the tower had the utmost detail of something original. Most of the materials were locally sourced rocks and reused timber. To strengthen the structure, modern-day equipment and materials were also used. Approaching the building, it is hard to tell where the rock canyon wall ends and the tower begins. This was the whole idea Coulter wanted. After driving around, we went to the Tusayan Ruin Trail. This was a small, thriving ancestral Pueblo village community created many years ago. There is a walk of 0.1 miles to a self-guiding trail around the site showing where all the different buildings are. There are 30-minute ranger-led tours of the Pueblo village, and there is a Tusayan museum adjacent to the site. After the remains, we went to the canyon edge, and I decided to do some climbing. Once we were done at the canyon, we went over to the Horseshoe Bend. The hike is 1.5 miles to the overlook and was extremely hot this day, but the view was amazing. Thanks for joining me on another one of our adventures.